Hello, this is my review for FeelinGirl. I was provided this sample, this T-shirt. It's not a T-shirt. It's like a blouse, and I was provided this sample, size medium, color pink. Comes in this baggie, and what I like about this camisole is that the spaghetti straps are adjustable, as you can see here in the back. This is how it looks in the back. So the great thing about this is it doesn't put compression around your breast. I'm using a bra, so it feels very comfortably. And here it like puts compression around my belly. This doesn't go up unless you put it inside the jeans. If you put this inside pants or jeans, then yeah, you have to like fix it and make sure it stays down. Other than that, it will slim your waist, and I like it. Thank you for watching my video.